Setting up an autoresponder in AWeber seems simple, but there are a few things you need to get right if you want it to actually convert leads into customers. Stick around because I'll show you how to do it step by step, plus a better alternative if you're looking for something even more powerful. First, log into AWeber and go to the campaign section under messages. Click create a campaign and choose automated sequence. This is where you'll build your autoresponder, meaning emails will automatically send when someone joins your list. Name your campaign, then hit create. Next, decide on your trigger. By default, it's set to when someone subscribes to your list, but you can tweak this depending on what action you want to trigger the emails. Now, you'll add your first email. Click send a message, then create a message. Auber's editor is drag and drop, which is nice, but it's not the most modern or intuitive compared to other tools. Keep your email simple, add a subject line, personalize it with the subscriber's name, and keep the body focused on value. Once your email is done, hit save and amp. Exit. You can then add a wait time before the next email. AWeber defaults to 1 day, but you can adjust it. Keep adding emails to create a sequence. Maybe a welcome email first, a value-packed email next, then a soft pitch, however your funnel works. Before you activate it, test everything. Auber's preview mode lets you see how emails look, but it doesn't give the best real-world testing experience. Some competitors offer better testing tools. AWeber is solid, but it's not the best option if you want advanced automation, AI-powered optimization, or better deliverability rates. After testing different platforms, I found one that does all of this better. If you want the best email automation experience, take advantage of the free trial in the first link in the description. You'll also get exclusive perks only available to our viewers.